So we host a ton of events here in the Propst Arena. We were looking for a way to engage the audience while they're here in our lobby, as well as give an opportunity for advertisers to put their information in front of our attendees.
Well, in the past, we've done events in this space in the mornings primarily, and the atrium faces the east, so we get the rising sun. And what we found is that even with a 15,000 lumen projector, just got washed out. So with the video wall, ambient light is not an issue. Experience with all squareV products on this property, these two being our fourth and fifth walls, has been great. Even 3.5 years down the road on the first 3 walls, it's been nothing but reliable, nothing out of the ordinary, just basic maintenance.
So the timing of the installation was perfect. We were able to get the boards up and running right before our Havoc hockey season kicked off. Havoc is our in-house team, and they've had a lot of fun putting video content up, showing highlights of their games, and the attendees have loved it. They've been just excited when they're walking in the door, and it gets them pumped for the experience they're about to have.